Every penny counts here. Look, Onedayrewards. All right, y'all have to get on this site. I'm loving it so far. I'm cashing out on this site literally like every day. So I decided to show you just what I'm doing every day. I'm gonna show you right now my balance as of today. It is, what is 8:19 in the morning, and I just got this $1. Just basically doing a couple surveys real quick. So I'm about to cash that out. One thing that I have to mention every time I get on this site and show you guys that you can cash out with 10 cents on the site. 10 cents. That is very, very low. It doesn't take any time to get 10 cents. Lots of different offer walls. If I click here, offer walls here, I'm going to show you mainly what I do on this site, because I have so many different sites. It's like each one I do specific things in order to really get the money. All right. So on this site, I'm jumping on tap research. First and foremost, you get disqualification points. Really go out there and do all of them. Don't leave any of them, to do. Just try all of them. Every one you attempt, you're going to get 2 points. All right. So you can get a lot of money just off tap research. Then I'll go over to Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs are always easy to qualify for. You can get a good, 15 to, 30 points just in like 10 minutes. It doesn't take long at all for that. All right. Again, you see what people are doing here. The S'mores TV, letting those videos run in the background. That's a big deal, because that way you're continuing to make money on the side, or you're not even really paying attention to the videos. That's what I do as far as that goes. Okay. If you look up here, surveys, if I click on that, it's going to show me the survey providers that they have. Okay. This is also what I do when I get on here. I come on down and I look at these. Look, sample-licious. These surveys don't take any time on this site. They take probably like, 10 minutes at the most, 55 points each. You know what I'm saying? Look, sample cube, $1.20. You know what I'm saying? Just you look at the things that they have. So many different ones you can choose from. Find out which one works for you. Go to the next page. I think hit the ones I do on the third page, if I'm not mistaken. I'm looking for it right now. Let me see. Scrolling down. Yeah, right here. 5-minute survey. 32.5 points. That's 32 cents. 5-minute surveys. No limit to the number of surveys you can qualify for and complete. So you can do this as long as they have them available. So grind out on those. This is what I love right here about this site. This is how I'm cashing out every day with it, just doing a couple of these. 32.5, 5 minutes. I mean, just think about it. You just keep doing those over and over. Your balance will accumulate very, very fast. So this is a very underrated site. But I have to bring it to your attention because there's just so much that they have to offer. And I'm surprised that so many people are not even talking about them, because when I look at videos online, everybody's doing the same videos at the same sites. And it's like there's so many more sites out there. And there's so many sites that are actually better than the ones that people keep promoting. So for me personally, I try to bring all of the ones that I'm currently a member of to your attention. That's one of the things why I created New Money Maker Mondays, because I have so many different sites, and I want to make sure that I show you guys all of them so you have the same opportunities that I have in order to make all of this money. All right. So enough of all of that. Let me go ahead and cash out real quick this $1. I think it was yesterday I cashed out $5 with another site. Now I'm gonna cash out $1 with this site, and I have more sites to cash out on. So I got a lot to do, and on top of that, I still gotta do some surveys, of course. So look at all these. 10 cents for Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? And all of these different things they have for you. Come on down to PayPal. Look, 10 cents. They got the $1 one too. Just kind of standard. Everyone has their little $1 or $2 one, but nobody really nobody really has the 10 cent. All right, so that's what's the big deal on this site. You know what I'm saying? Scrolling on down, just showing you all of what they have. You can even get Western Union or MoneyGram if there's something you're interested in. But for me, I'm a PayPal guy. PayPal is my #1 thing, because I figure whatever you have or whatever you can get, PayPal can get that for you. So let me just go and type in my PayPal information real quick. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. That's why I have to kind of hold it down here. So just kind of bear with me in that regard. But man, I messed up. I gotta start over. My bad. But like I said, 10 cent. That's a very big deal. You can cash out literally every day. Like every hour you're doing that. I mean, there's so many things you can do in order to accumulate 10 cents. So that's why I jump on this site. One of the first ones I jump on each and every morning, just because of the things that it has for me. All right. So, just, you got to get involved with it. All right. So I just typed that in. Your withdrawal's been added to the pending list. This site, they will pay you, if not the same day, the very next day, because I think he has certain times where he actually does the cash out. So if you kind of miss that time frame, just get the next day. Not a big deal for me. There's nothing to worry about. So I just cashed out $1 on this site. I showed you what I do in order to get the money. So that's something you can, rewind the video and, look back at what I said as far as what I do. Very quick, just quick surveys, the tap research. That's a big one. That's the first thing I do when I jump on that. So that's one thing you want to do. And, sign up for the site. It's a site that a lot of members, a lot of people are not talking about. But because of that, there are incentives because of the 10-cent cash out. I mean, those are things that people try to do, or sites try to do for people to get more members to come to them. So you want to jump on them as quick as possible while they still have these things, because you never know, this site might blow up to be huge, which I think it does have the potential. And that 10-cent cash out might not be there. It might be like $1 or $2, or perhaps even $5, like a lot of sites are. So the bigger they get, the more they have to kind of crack down. But when they're still small sites and they're trying to find ways to get members into it, one of the things they do is, low cash outs and, bonuses here and there. So they try to get more and more members to accumulate, to come to the site and actually use it. So when you see these things, you have to start getting them on them quick before they take them away, if they take them away at all. It just depends. So Onedayrewards, you got to sign up with it. Link is in the description. Sign up, get the bonus, and start making money with it today, quick as possible. Don't let time pass you by, because you never know. Every day that passes you by, you're not making money. That can be money in your bank account. You know what I'm saying? Just simple as that. So sign up, Onedayrewards, links in the description, and remember, every penny counts.